Some people are not broke because they lack talent, but because they have ignored the skills in their hands, in their very hands. So I have to do this. They have ignored the skills in their hands. In this video, I'll be showing you everyday skills you can use to earn money even while working 9 to 5, or you just want to make side income. From monetizing your knowledge to knowledge tools to AI tools, the silent gold miles you have been sleeping on. Skills you can monetize and how to go about it. Number one, teaching people how to use simple tools like CapCut, Canva, Zoom, WhatsApp Business, and the likes. That channel you create is simply your office. That channel you create, it can make you some good amount of money. Now, after creating a space for yourself, you could dedicate that particular channel to teaching people tutorials, AI tools tutorial, Canva tutorial, CapCut tutorial, even InShot and some other apps like that. So which app do you love? Which app do you want to learn? Do you know you can even pay somebody to teach you if you know that you are very busy? Because I know that busy 9 to 5 hours are very, very busy. So you are so busy and you just want to create an alternative source of income, or you are currently on ground zero, you don't know what to do. You can learn how to use some apps and in turn teach people how to use that app for a token. Now, like I said, you have to create an office for yourself on the social media space. It can even be your WhatsApp status. Now you create a simple offer. How do you create an offer? Create an offer to teach maybe 20 people for, Nigeria, so we spend Naira. 20, I'm offering to teach 20 people how to use Canva to create business videos, or to create ads videos for their business for a token of 3,000. Create an offer. I think you need to learn the act of offer creation. You can watch videos on offer creation. However, I think my next video will be about how to create offers that will make people want to buy from you, want to exchange their money for the value you are proposing to them. Like I was saying, create an offer, make it sound very interesting. You need to learn how to sell too. That's something. There's a lot to learn, but take it a day at a time. Learn the tool, then learn how to package your offer. You can even ask ChatGPT. I have just learned an AI tool. How do I package my offer in such a way that people will be interested to learn from me? And it will come, pa, 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 pa. Even the text and everything you're going to see. So create an offer to teach people what you have learned, maybe on a Saturday. Don't be surprised. You might be having up to 10 or 20 people wanting to learn from you at a go, and they are ready to pay you maybe 3,000, right, for teaching them how to use an AI tool or any tool at all on your phone, right? And they're ready to pay. Then I multiply 20 people times 3. That's a cool 60,000 by the side, which will be an addition to your salary. I've spoken too much on that. Let's move to the next one, language teaching. Wow, this is the holiday period. Do you have a local language that you speak fluently? I am Yoruba. I speak Yoruba fluently, but I don't know if I can teach Yoruba, but there's nothing impossible. Do you speak Igbo fluently? Do you speak Hausa fluently? During the holidays, do you know that parents would want their children to learn their local languages? People are going back to their local language, right? I know somebody online that teaches children how to speak Igbo. And it's always a summer program for. I know somebody online that teaches children how to speak Igbo. It's a summer program, and she usually have a lot of enrollees. So you could start thinking about it. Do you speak your local language? You can start thinking about it. Do you speak your local language so well? You can look for how to generate a curriculum. You can still use AI to generate that curriculum. Go on ChatGPT, that is the most common AI we use, and even a layman knows it. Go on ChatGPT and type, I want to organize a Yoruba tutorial for children or school children between the ages of 3 and 10. Kindly create a curriculum. Yes, ChatGPT will create a curriculum for you, but you can look at it also, since you know the language, and remove some irrelevancies in case it's not coming out scripts the way you want it. And keep it aside. Get your phone, turn your camera. Yes, always turn your camera. Turn your camera and start filming each topic. That will be a way of preparing what you're going to teach the children. When you film and you keep it aside, then you go online and create your offer. I want to teach 50 children of Yoruba origin or of Igbo origin how to speak Igbo during the summer period, or you call it summer Igbo camp or Igbo summer camp or whatever name you can call it, and charge a token 2,000, 3,000, 5, 10. Do you know some people even charge up to 50,000 to teach children during this summer, and they're making a whole lot of money from that. So when you do that, create your offer. You can even run Facebook ads to your target audience, a token of ad, maybe 20k ad, 50k ad. So if you're a 9 to 5 busy person, then you need to start keeping money for these side businesses, because if you know that you want instant results, you need to run ads, because when you run ads, yes, you will get a lot of return on your investment. Right, ads, right? So I think that serves somebody, right? So let's go to the next one. If you're very good at listening to people, this is for you. Create an emotional support group, or create an offer around emotional support. A lot of people are looking for who to listen to them, who to listen to their problems. Yes, that could fall into the therapy niche. Yes, therapy niche. So you could offer to listen to people. Do you know people are looking for who would listen to them? Offer emotional support or kind of healing. So if you know that you are good, you're spiritual, and you can listen to people, you can offer therapy, you can offer advices that would work, and when people listen to you, they feel good, they feel calm. Wow, you can create a therapy niche, it's a kind of, you can create a therapy brand around that. Yeah, you can be a therapist, an healing therapist, and people will pay for sessions. People will pay to have sessions with you, right? If you are good with settling marriage disputes, some people are not good with that at all, but you've seen yourself over time that when people come to you with marital issues, when you step in, something actually happens. You are a marriage counselor. Is a skill, right? That a lot of people have set up brands that actually coaches people how to have good marriages, and a lot of people have thriving brands under the marriage counselorship. So you can create an offer around that. It doesn't stop you from doing your job, and even if you are not doing any job for now and you know you are good in that area, this is just an example, it's just an eye opener. Can you start thinking about that? Brand it and make it a brand, make it a business, a company. You will teach people how to live in peace with their spouses, and also you can listen to married problems and offer them solutions. Well, it might sound weird to some people, but do you know that's a niche that people have made millions on social media and even offline? Yes, marriage counselorship is also a niche and a brand that you can monetize, even if you're a busy 9 to 5 worker, or even if right now you don't know what you're going to do and you see that you are good in that area, you have solved problems. In fact, like I said in my last video, problem solving, any problem you can solve right now can be monetized. Any problem you can solve so well can be monetized if you know how to package it very well in a way that people will see it as a value they can part their money for. So if you have been able to solve people's marriage problems in the past, you have been able to counsel children. Now this will lead me to the child training niche. A lot of people have found themselves in that niche. Though some people have monetized it, some people haven't monetized it. In fact, we have a popular child training, let's say guru, child training guru, or child training. In fact, we have a popular child training coach in Nigeria right now, and you know, she's going everywhere with it, and it's a big brand. So child training, people are looking for people that could tell them how to handle their teens. Some people are even specialized on teens training, right? You are a teens coach if you find yourself always talking to teens to make them better, and you have always been seeing results. Also, mind you, any niche you're going to go into to monetize would be a niche which you have practiced either knowingly or unknowingly, and you have been seeing results, because people who want to part their money to somebody they perceive will give them results and solution. So You have been solving a particular problem over time, and right now you need money, you need an extra income. That problem you have been solving might be the extra income you are looking for. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please and please click the subscription bell, share and like, and even comment down below if this resonates with you in any way. Thank you for watching.